Hi friends, welcome to my channel Abhi's Food Villa. So this video is about a review and how to make a ready-made whole wheat chapati from the brand Ammamma's. So this is definitely not a promotional or a sponsor video. I have purchased this product from one of their local stores nearby and this has costed me 75 rupees for 10 chapatis. Also check the expiry date before purchasing. At the back of the packet you have all the details like the ingredients and the directions for use, and it is required to be stored in a refrigerator. You can find these chapatis in their local stores and on Big Basket and Amazon. The packaging of this is really amazing. They have a cover which separates the chapatis so that the chapatis doesn't stick to each other, which is amazing. Chapatis are perfectly made, they are soft, and the thickness of the chapati is exactly the same as we prepare at home. So without any further ado, let's get into this preparation, and also at the end I'll give you the pro tips. So I have preheated the tawa and now I'm adding the chapati onto the top. Just remove the cover at the top and let it heat on the both sides. Once it is heated, add in some oil or ghee as per your choice. So here I'm adding some oil. So the pro tip here is that whenever you are preparing any ready-made chapatis, try to add less ghee at the starting and also top it up with some ghee or oil at the end so that the chapatis remain soft. So here I am having my hot chapati with some brinjal and mutton curry. So it is super soft and it really feels like a homemade chapati. Serve the chapatis hot and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, happy cooking.